My name is Camilla. I'm 5. I live in Cairo, Egypt. Today I'm gonna show you my day in the lockdown. I like to have my breakfast here and enjoy some sun. I like to do yoga after that. Sometimes I'm a superhero. Sometimes I'm a princess. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. Yay! Sometimes I'm a ballerina. Sometimes I like to cook like my mom. Sometimes I make some arts and crafts, like this one. Sometimes I bake with my mom in the kitchen, but sometimes I also do the hard work, like the frosting the heart cake for my dad. Happy birthday to you, sana حلوة يا جميل, sana حلوة يا جميل, sana حلوة يا دادي, sana حلوة يا جميل. Now I'm gonna start my online class.
What's Monday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. I'm okay.
Stay safe, wash your hands, and bye.